Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in one of my classes, a student of mine told her group that she doesn't really know her father. Her mum got pregnant when she was very young, I think 18 or 19. And when she told the guy she was with at the time, my student's father, that she was pregnant, the guy basically freaked out and disappeared. He just fucked off and left them in the lurch. In other words, he did a runner. If somebody does a runner, they leave somewhere, usually quite quickly, and often without telling anybody that they're going to leave, because they want to avoid paying for something, they want to avoid being arrested, or they want to avoid a difficult, maybe unpleasant situation. So it could be that someone's in a restaurant and they suddenly realise they don't have any money on them and they've got no way of paying. So rather than try and talk to the restaurant owners, they just quickly do a runner. They run away without paying their bill. It could be, for example, that your accountant, if you have a dodgy accountant, does a runner, or your bank manager does a runner and takes all of your money with them. Sometimes it also happens with online companies. Maybe people order things online and the products never arrive because the companies basically advertise these things, collect everybody's money and then do a runner, taking the money with them. And if you've ever fallen prey to these kinds of scams, you know that your chances of getting the money back are next to zero. You can basically kiss that money goodbye. Maybe if you owe a lot of money, you might do a runner and disappear from your home or disappear from your town before the debt collectors come looking for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues on social media. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use do a runner.